This is Mater's first trip to a car show this year, 2024, so we'll walk around and give you the tour. Say hi to everyone in TV land.
Hi.
Say hi everyone in TV land.
Announce a car show, another car show here. This is where we're at.
Oh. He's right behind us.
Dad, I turned it off.
You did? Okay. And then we'll walk around and we'll do the rest of the car show here in just a bit. Now here are my assistant videographers. Are you going to take some video? All right. So we're at the Cannon County Courthouse. And we'll be here for a couple hours. That's cool. That's just cool. Look at his hood prop. That's probably a root. This is my high school car, except no rust and paint and clean and drivable. Yep. Wow. Yep, that's clean. It's funny what they look like without the rust and stuff. So that's what it looks like.
Look at that green car.
You see it?
Daddy, that green car is just like me.
Yeah, it is. I always love a wagon. I don't know why, I just love wagons. That's cool. Be careful, okay, with your cameras, because you girls are new. Oh, look at this Bronco. This Camaro is cool. But this is what I would, if I could have one of everything, I'd have one of these too.
Well, my dad was like raising the animal. He wasn't working.
Oh, look at that. That's our Mustang. Except a 69. I've seen him here before.
Yeah, it got cold.
302. That's the right color.
We didn't finish it, but we will.
Well, it's pretty.
Well, thank you. Yeah, I really like it. We couldn't find it.
There's the Steal Me box.
Okay. Down here. See.
Hi.
Hey,
Is this yours? I love they're so hard to find that Ford engine color. You know that? There's 3 engine colors.
yes. Yeah, that's the original motor.
Is it? That's
It had
awesome.
49,000.
Wow.
Yeah, that was my dad. He died. He bought it in 74 and he passed away in 75, and it's just been in the family all these years.
Is it original color?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
the original color and
cool.
everything.
That's so cool.
Wimbledon white and hot ginger metallic.
That's great. Oh, look at here's you got your board. So I'm filming it if you don't mind. I have to always ask. Look at how cool that is.
Yeah, that was his.
Oh, really
And that's
cool.
my twin brother, and that's me learning to drive. But we were little kids.
Look at that.
The neighbor man, he painted it for Mother a different color because it was starting to get rust in it.
Yeah.
And so we went ahead and put it back to the original.
Oh yeah, you did
Yeah,
a great
because you
job.
can see it right there.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
Yep, I love this color. This is
I do
beautiful.
too.
Wow, what
The
a...
guy that painted it didn't love it.
No, I'll bet because it's metallic and it's tricky and
But he really did. I really like this.
yeah, this is something
And he
else.
just mixed it with the color paint, and that's the way it came out.
Yeah, you can, that texture, I know it's not original, but who cares? Make it durable so you can use it.
It is.
Well, thank you for sharing. I really appreciate it. Look at this little bug. Hey, this is a tato bug right here. You see the tato bug? It says Harley Davidson, but I don't believe him. Look at this, gorgeous. You just don't paint things black unless they came black. Uh-oh. It's the Never Spark box. Never spark? Never. I think we'll take a break and maybe walk around a little bit longer and then film some more. All right, let's get this guy on camera. He's cool. International Harvester. That looks like the original engine. Look at that. Dual pot master cylinder. Manual brakes. Just like Toby. Look at this. It's completely, it looks a lot like Toby's paint, doesn't it? It's funny how high the bed is. Almost looks like it's been C-notched or whatever. Oh, look at inside. That is wicked. I love that. If you didn't have this car cover in the 60s or 70s, you weren't living. I love an original motor. It's got,
Yeah, old binder.
shoo, look at that.
Yeah.
Even smells like the 60s. And it smells a little bit like Brute 33. There's the 69 version of our car, but no holes in it. Yeah, that's pretty original. Original color? I love that color. That's the back side of the courthouse. Old Glory waving proud on a beautiful day. Look at this little guy. This is a little Jeep, I think. Willie's Jeep or just a Jeep? I don't know. I'm not familiar. But that doesn't look like the original bumper. No, that is not the original. I know what that bumper's from, but it doesn't go to this car. But it works. Looks good. It's for an El Camino from like 79 to like, I don't know, 87 or 85 maybe. I don't know when they went, before they went to the poly bumpers. Now that's cool. Are you filming this one too? Man, this is a cool truck. That's pretty cool. There goes a lunch. What do you think, kiddo? You gonna keep filming some more? And I think we made it all the way back. And there's, what show would be complete without a sighting of Herbie? There's Mater. That's a beautiful custom tent. Golly. I've been looking for one of those for us to throw an engine in and have that to be what we take to Florida. But nobody wants to sell one. Jeez. Oh, that's trick. How cool is that? All right, that'll do it. I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down and enjoy a few beverages and take in the rest of the show. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you the next time.
Can't just run off. Where are you trying to go, sweetheart?
Look at that purple truck. It looks like a purple Vader, doesn't it? I think that's his hood opener. It's a squiggly. Yeah. Well, the Hawkins replacing, but I don't care. I will steal that car.